The structure of C programs. In this lesson, we will discuss the structure of basic programming in C. Many programming languages, such as Java, C++, Pascal, COBOL, etc., have a certain standard format which should be followed by the programmer. In the same way, the C language also has the standard structure which resembles this. Let's have a look at the syntax of the C programming structure. In this syntax, we mention including heading files, which means we have to include the header files. We will see more about the header files in following lessons. In the second line, you can see global declarations. It indicates that a function or variable can be declared here and accessed anywhere in the program. Here's the main function. This is necessary in each C program because the execution starts in the main function. We'll see more about the main function in the forthcoming lessons. Each C program must be started with the main function. Following the main function, we use the curly braces, which are signs to start and close the program. And the local declarations indicate that the variables cannot be apart from the function. It is a contradiction of the global declarations. The statements are nothing but the goal of the function, so we should follow these instructions before writing a program. We have discussed the structure of a C program. I hope you will follow this structure when you write a C program.